Did you know that September was originally the 7th month in the Roman calendar? That's right, the name September actually comes from the Latin word septem, meaning 7. Even though it's now our 9th month, the little piece of history stuck around. Hey everyone, today we are exploring the month of September, a month filled with change, tradition and a few surprises you might not know about. Stick around because we have 20 plus amazing September facts. September also marks the beginning of autumn in the northern hemisphere. The autumn equinox usually falls around 22nd September or 23rd, signaling the start of cozy sweater weather and pumpkin spice everything. Speaking of the equinox, the full moon closest to this date is called the harvest moon. This bright, beautiful moon has been celebrated for centuries as it provided extra light for farmers to bring in their crops. In the United States, the first Monday of September is reserved for Labor Day. It's a day to honor the contributions of workers and marks the unofficial end of summer, time to pack away those big towels. If you are a September baby, your birthstone is stunning sapphire. This gem is a symbol of wisdom, loyalty and nobility. Talk about being born under a lucky star. September birth flower are the aster and the morning glory. Both of them blooms represent love, affection and wisdom, making them the perfect flower to give to someone you care about. For many students around the world, September means one thing: back to school. After a long summer break, it's time to hit the book and reunite with classmates. In the US, September is National Preparedness Month. It's a reminder to make plans and prepare for emergencies, whether it's natural disaster or unexpected event. September is also a key month for harvesting crops. Apples, grapes and corn are just a few of the delicious foods that are gathered during this time. On a more somber note, September 11 is remembered as a day of tragedy in the United States. It's the anniversary of 2001 terrorist attacks, a day that changed the world forever. To honor the victims and heroes of 9/11, the US observes Patriot Day on September 11. It's a day of remembrance and reflection. 8th September is the International Literacy Day. This day is all about promoting literacy across the globe because reading and writing are essential skills for everyone. Starting September 15, the US celebrates Hispanic Heritage Month, a time to honor the histories, cultures and contribution of Hispanic Americans. Peace lovers, this one's for you. September 21st is the International Day of Peace, dedicated to promoting peace and ending conflicts around the world. September 19 is the International Talk Like a Pirate Day. It's a fun, unofficial holiday where you can channel your inner pirate and speak in pirate lingo. Let's take a trip back in the time to ancient Rome. The Romans celebrated a festival called Ludi Romani in September, honoring Jupiter. The festival ran from September 4 to 19, quite the celebration. In East Asia, the Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as the Moon Festival, often falls in September. This festival is all about celebrating and harvest and appreciating the beauty of the full moon. Now here is a fun twist. Oktoberfest, the world famous beer festival in Germany, actually begins late September, so if you are planning to celebrate, mark your calendars a little early. September is a month when leaves start to change color, painting landscapes with beautiful shades of red, orange and yellow. It's a nature way of reminding us that change can be beautiful. September is often associated with the start of pumpkin spice season, a popular flavor profile in many foods. September is a time when many people begin to prepare for Halloween, decorating their homes and planning costumes. And there you have it, amazing fascinating facts about September. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.